hope, courage and excitement we are seeing in the body language of the children in the orphanage homes as they received about 40 cartoons, manna pack rice from Krio Decendants Union, Dallas, Texas, with support from Feed My Starving Children. Each cartoon comprises 36 packs of rice. The team commenced their humanitarian gesture at Freetown Tesha home, where they learned about the history of the home and how it had thrived over the years.
We know there has been some challenges, it's not easy, but with the help of our able chairman, we have been able to conquer the odds. As you can see, we have already children attending the school, both disabled and non-disabled. Actually, this place was meant only for disabled learners, but because of inclusion, the non-disabled were also incorporated into the system. And it was good that they did that. With the inclusion of the non-disabled, they are doing it well.
Receiving the gift, one of the beneficiaries, Blessing Kalon, appreciated the donors for the support. She appealed for more support.
On behalf of my colleagues, the residents of the Freetown Cheshire Home, as well as the primary school, our board members would like to say KWYS very big thank you for their thoughtful gesture to come and donate to us. We pray that the Lord will continue to bless you, provide for you, and we hope you will come back again. We are looking forward to your next visit, and the door is always open for you guys. And we are very thankful that you choose Cheshire Home as one of your places you donate to. Once more, I say thank you. At
Heckham Preparatory International High School in Waterloo, the team also provided about 40 cartoons as the school equally covers an orphanage home known as Komra Golden Kids Home. The director of the orphanage and proprietress of Heckham Preparatory International High School, Emma Kamara, thanked the team for their kindness. A representative of KDU Dallas, Texas, Desmond McFoy, was pleased with the venture. He pledged to do more.
It's a philanthropist offer, and we believe we're still working with partners. The Krio Descendants Union, Dallas, Texas, is really working with the partners, and we hope and pray that this will continue. The whole goal is how much can we give back? What's the impact that can be made in the lives of these children? They're vulnerable, they're young, and they know nothing. So we have to keep them.
This is the second year the union is embarking on this journey, providing over 350 cartoons of these rice to support less privileged children. For SLBC, Mohamed Kouma reporting.